Okay, now for the Frankenstein vacuum system. I couldn't really find a good diagram on the interweb to run these, so this is kind of what I figured out. We have our brake booster vacuum here. It needs to go here because in these other spaces like this one here or this one here, the vacuum is not strong enough. So we ended up, after trial and error, putting it right here. This is goes to the cold air intake, as you can see, and then this over here to the EGR valves. So I got back from the drive shaft shop today. Got a new one-piece aluminum drive shaft. Pretty heavy duty, should keep me good to about 1500 horsepower. And that's wheel horse, not engine, not at the crank. I'll show you some of the main differences. First off, the flange. You look how much bigger this flange is than this one. This is 3.5 inches. This is 2. This is a two-piece drive shaft. So you got a little weak point right here in the center where the two pieces come together. And then also at the end here, another weak point where this plunger style connection is. Now this one here, the aluminum, it's just a lot beefier. The original shaft is good to about 550 horsepower or so, and we were running about probably 450 with the nitrous. So this should last us a good while.